In this video, how to blur sensitive information in Camtasia. For example, you need to cover sensitive information in a video, such as names or email addresses. In the traditional way, you can add a blurred effect to the video to hide sensitive information, but viewers can decode some blurred numbers and text. So I recommend using other annotations, such as callouts or shapes, to cover critically confidential information. Drag a blur shape annotation onto the canvas or timeline. Click and drag the shape annotation on the canvas over the object to hide. To resize the shape, drag the handles in any direction. To change the duration, drag the end of the shape annotation on the timeline in either direction. Alternatively, we can use the pixelate annotation to hide the content. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.